guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious yet easy and simple fried shrimp. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my shrimp that I went ahead and deveined, rinsed with some lemon juice, and I did leave the tails on because I want it for presentation purposes. And here I have some all-purpose flour, I have some baking powder, breadcrumbs, I'll be using 2 eggs. I have here some hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder. I have some of my green seasoning here. I have some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and complete seasoning. Let's get into it. So to get started, we will start by combining the eggs, hot sauce, green seasoning, and we will add some of our garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and black pepper. We will leave the rest of those seasonings to season our flour. And we will mix this all well, and we'll get ready to season our shrimp with this marinade. Next, we'll pour the marinade over the shrimp and we will mix until it's evenly distributed. Then we will allow to marinate for about 30 minutes. Seafood in general, it don't take a long time to marinate. It holds seasoning pretty fast. So we let this sit and then I'll show you the next step. Now we'll season our flour, but first we'll add the baking powder. This will help to keep our shrimp crispy. Then we will add the breadcrumbs and we'll add the remainders of our dry seasoning, starting with the black pepper. Then we'll add a Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. We'll mix well and set aside. Next, we'll coat our shrimp with a generous amount of that flour, and then we will place it on our baking sheet. We will repeat the same process until they are all done. And once we're all done, we will now head over to the stove and start frying them. So here in my preheated oil, I will now start adding the shrimp. And I will add a few at a time because I don't want to crowd the pan. And remember to keep your heat on medium because you don't want the heat too high and the shrimp burn or it has like a dark color. You want a nice golden brown color. So you keep it on medium and let these fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. They don't take long to cook. And once you see they start to float up to the top, that's a good indication that they are done. And now we will remove them and continue the same process until we are all done. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious, quick and easy fried shrimp. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!